Good morning, dear parents and students. I'm Rashmi Sore, primary teacher from Advanced Academy. I hope you and all your family members are safe, healthy, and happy. As we all know, online learning is a new way of learning nowadays. Students are not able to attend the school, so the school is trying its best to provide education through online platform. School is organizing online live sessions for all the students which are completely optional. Just as in school, a discipline has to be followed to make the process of education systematic and organized. Same way, some important live session guidelines must be strictly adhered to make the live session experience fruitful for everyone. Just as in regular school, teacher educates students not only in their academic subjects, but also they try their best to inculcate good manners, hygiene, strong values, and sense of discipline amongst the students. Same way, during the live sessions, these guidelines will help child imbibe good online etiquettes and manners and make teaching learning process more effective and beneficial for all. जिस प्रकार स्कूल में एजुकेशन प्रोसेस को सिस्टमैटिक और ऑर्गेनाइज बनाने के लिए डिसिप्लिन को फॉलो करना ज़रूरी है, उसी प्रकार लाइव सेशंस के दौरान गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। टीचर्स आपके बच्चे को न सिर्फ एकेडमिक एरिया में निपुण करती है, बल्कि वह उसमें गुड मैनर्स, हाइजीन, स्ट्रॉन्ग वैल्यू और डिसिप्लिन भी स्थापित करती है। लाइव सेशंस के दौरान गाइडलाइन फॉलो करने पर भी आपके बच्चे में गुड ऑनलाइन एटिकेट्स और मैनर्स स्थापित होंगे, जो टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस को ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव और बेनिफिशियल बनाने में सहभागी रहेंगे। Today, I am here to tell you about the guidelines which all students and parents must follow if they choose to attend the live sessions. Guideline number 1. Your login ID must show full name, class and section of the student. आपकी login ID में student का पूरा नाम, class और section दिखना चाहिए. Example, Parth 4C. यह गलत login ID है. Parth Agrawal 4C. यह सही login ID है. आपका वीडियो हमेशा ऑन हो, इस बात का आपको सदैव ध्यान रखना है. Now, I am going to demonstrate how to display student's name, class and section as your login ID. First, you have to tap on settings. Then, you have to go to your display name. You'll get two options, first name and last name. In the first name, you have to put your first name, and in the last name, you have to put your last name as well as class and section. After feeding that, you have to tap on OK. Then your display name will display your class and section. To turn on the video throughout the session, you have to tap on video icon which is just below the screen. To mute yourself, you have to tap on the mic icon which is just near the video icon, and to unmute yourself, you have to again tap on that mic icon as well. Guideline number 3. Dress code to be followed during the online sessions. Full length lower and t-shirt. No shorts, no skirts, frocks, sleeveless and deep necks will be allowed during the session. विद्यार्थी फुल लोअर टी-शर्ट में ही सेशन में सहभागी हो सकते हैं. किसी भी प्रकार के शॉर्ट्स, स्कर्ट्स, फ्रॉक, स्लीवलेस अथवा डीप गले के कपड़े पहनकर बैठने की अनुमति सेशन में नहीं दी जाएगी. Student must take bath and be presentable whenever they face the camera. विद्यार्थी स्नान करके सभ्य रूप में ही कैमरे को फेस करेंगे. Host will remove any student from the session who is lying on the bed or using inappropriate gesture during the session. होस्ट उस विद्यार्थी को तुरंत ही सेशन से बाहर निकाल देगा जो उसे बिस्तर पे लेटे हुए या इनएप्रोप्रिएट जेस्चर में दिखेगा. If repeatedly same ID has been removed, then the student will be permanently banned from attending any of the live sessions in the future. अगर एक ही ID निरंतर रूप में रिमूव की जा रही हो, तो उस विद्यार्थी को आगे के सेशन में सहभागी नहीं होने दिया जाएगा. If in a session most students are not following guideline, then teacher can cancel the session. अगर एक सेशन में अत्यधिक स्टूडेंट गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे होंगे, तो वह सेशन कैंसिल कर दिया जाएगा. If any other family member is visible from the camera of the student who is inappropriately dressed or using inappropriate gesture, then host will immediately remove that student from the live session, as we don't want any embarrassment for you and your ward. Know that inappropriate dress up and behavior could lead you or your child in the situation of embarrassment. As once you are in front of camera and online, every word you speak and the way you look can be easily recorded by anyone who wishes. As not only to the teacher, you are audible and visible to all the students and their family members. Follow cyber safety rules whenever online. The management and the teacher are trying their best to make the online session process fruitful for the students, but it won't be successful without the cooperation of each one of you. If you need any assistance related to these guidelines, send us a message on the number which is mentioned in live session schedule in School Diary app. We will assist you. Kindly abide by the online etiquettes and live session guidelines and take maximum benefit of all these endeavors. Thank you and have a nice day.